But I never really liked him. I liked Denver, you know, so I just went to Cleveland to beat them when they played Cleveland, when they had Kosar, you know, and everything, and they get those big, like, AFC championship games, and Cleveland would play them, and it would just be brutal, you know, and Denver would come out, and Denver had those good teams, and they beat Cleveland all the time. Cleveland couldn't get them to the Super Bowl.
Yeah.
Pulling for the underdog. Never liked the dog. I don't really like it. The only time, I don't think I even pulled for him against the Packers in Pizza Friday. Maybe I did. I just want to see Denver get it.
Now, Marino, he could scramble, right?
Marino was not a scrambler. He was quick release.
I know he could, like, right here, he could throw the ball like 60 yards from right here.
Yeah, he was a quick release, man. He got rid of the ball fast. That was his thing. They couldn't sack him because he get rid of the ball too fast.
Yeah.
He could be there and his ball would be out in like 2 seconds. Boom.
Yeah.
Boom. You know, literally, they could not get to him.
Yeah, they could throw, I mean, far.
Far. Oh, yeah.
Just
far.
from this.
Yeah, far, too.
Yeah.
And accurate. And accurate. Yeah. That's the thing. That was made it so hard to sack Marino is because he got rid of the ball so fast every time.
Yeah. There was none of this. Pull it back and look for somebody. It was
he could read the field right away. If you needed him, he'd be like, damn. And he said he attributed a lot of his success to the older quarterback they had there when he got there, Don Strock. He's still there. He's like his backup. And Don Strock is super smart. Reading defenses you guys go through, and you know, walking through, taught it a lot. So, like I think Marino wrote the book like when he first came out, and he said Don Strock was a huge reason he was so successful because he was like a coach, helping him learn everything and stuff. So he attributed a lot of his success to Don Strock. Don Strock was really smart. He just didn't have the arm like that Marino had. Nobody did. Only guy I've seen that's comparable to an arm like Marino is Mahomes. Mahomes has a cannon. He can throw it from wherever. Yeah, he's got a cannon. He gets his ball going too. He's got a cannon.
And is it a cannon from like right here, like Marino?
Oh yeah. He can rip it.
A lot of these guys, you know, you see them, they gotta hold it. They're like way back here with it, you know. Like in Marino, it was like right from his shoulder.
He can zip a bullet pass out like nothing. Mahomes can zip it.
Yeah, I don't know how some of those guys, Marino had hit them right in the numbers. Just, I mean, boom, you could see it when it hit. They're like,
if something happened and you didn't run the right pattern or you dropped the ball or something, you'd chew your ass out on the wing. And you could see him like yelling at the receiver, yelling at the lineman because they're so competitive. You know, if they drop, I'm not going to say that was good all the time, but he definitely, guys wanted to keep him happy because he would get pegged off if they did something wrong. He wouldn't ignore it. He would call him out. But sometimes that's good. Sometimes that's not so good, depending on the person. He had it really. Everybody respected him a lot. So, but that's one of the things about Tannehill. I didn't like Tannehill. You know, never seemed to like have that fire in his belly. You know, he was always probably the best quarterback. Made that since Marino, but just never had any fire in his belly. Just kind of stood on the sideline, didn't really intermingle with the other guys. Didn't really get in there when something happened and he got sacked. And somebody blew their assignment, wasn't over there like jumping the crap. You gotta have some of that passion and fire, you know.
yeah.
But it's your team rally behind up. You gotta want to win. You gotta have that competitive. I didn't see the competitiveness that I was wanting to see.
I got my $25 million and I'll just do my job.
Yeah,
I mean,
it's frustrating. You know how that is. I don't know. We'll see. I think Miami hasn't really had a. Since Shula left, I should say Jimmy Johnson was a pretty decent coach for him. He was drafting some good players, but they've never had the level of success they had with Don Shula after he left. Never. He was the one that made the difference on it. He coached so many different players in so many different eras, and he was the key piece that they were missing have some decent grabs with defensive players. We got some really good defensive players.
Sure, it's good. I'll show you.
Oh, okay. I need some of those. We got plenty.
Yeah.
Let's go. The mess. We were put all that stuff in a pile. They came in here, there's stuff all over the desk. Oh, got walking speed in the tunnel.
Roger, walking speed.
Yeah, no.
We know, he knows, you know.
That's the DM, yeah.
Need anything?
Coming back to you now?
Yeah. Little by little.
I thought maybe you just wanted to get your half of the day done with. You were going to run up to the top of the hill, and then I was going to do everything for the rest of the day.
It don't matter to me, man. I do like consistency. Need one of those little arms that you have those things on so that it doesn't bounce around. It keeps it steady no matter what happens.
Well, that's true, but it makes this video more authentic. Need one of those, like, selfie sticks or whatever they call
It's
that.
not a selfie. Well, it's kind of a selfie stick, but it's on like gyro that keeps it. No matter, you can do this, you know, and bounce around, and it stays level no matter what.
Huh. I think I know what you're talking about.
Here you got a gargantuan speed reduction coming up. You got this? I gotta ask, you know. Just in case you go flying by it at 90, I can say, oh, he told me you got it.
Get that.
Yeah.
All right, man. Ready to go on. Said it was a record-breaking day for rain.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Why does that not surprise me?
Yeah. It was cold last year in May and June, and then July it got hot. And it stayed hot until like October. Really warm.
That was good for me. I got a lot of firewood done.
Yeah, there was even above average temperatures in October for a long time. It was pretty warm.
So what's with these 3 extra tracks over here? Is that an old yard?
Yep. Yeah, this is Portage yard. Don't really use it very much anymore.
Yeah, it looks like it's got some vegetation.
Yeah, just use it for switching stuff out a lot. Store cars and everything. Don't really use it for much of anything.
Looks kind of like Palmer a little bit.
Yeah, I'm sure they'll pull all the tracks out but one eventually, and so that's just the way they do things.
Hey, let's pull a siding out and
Yeah.
put one switch in it.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the way they do things. I don't think about ever using anything later on down the line. That's all old rail you can see. It's like the light rail.
70 pound.
Yeah.
That's slowly becoming extinct in various places.
That's what I'm saying. They'll probably just pull it up.
Now, is this a CWR plant right here?
Yep. That's the old welding plant.
Hey there, Marty.
Hey.
We're
Brando was mentioning to me your plan,
Yep.
A and B for sure.
Yep.
Okay.
I think A and B is fine. I don't got that many people.
Sounds good to me.
So. Okay. So Arctic terms. Those things are mean.
Oh yeah.
They will take a chunk out of you. Right on top of the noggin.
Yep. I experienced that once.
Have ya?
Yeah.
I usually had when I was working the shuttle, I had a little tennis racket. I was at a girls with a tennis racket and swing that thing around, like, try it, see what happens. Never could get one too damn fast. Birdie with the tennis racket, hit the birdie. Check on the mirrors and everything.
Well, it's not very often you get to see that old of a rolling stock there. You got 3 of those old gondolas and those box cars.
Work train crap.
Yeah, B&B, isn't it?
Yeah, it might be. They don't have an LC crane out here. The LC crane's in Whittier.
Is it okay if I go down to B and leave Miranda and Chris up here with you, or do you want me up here with you?
Oh, you can do however, no matter to me, that's fine.
Okay.
I remember as a little kid seeing them, still seeing those in revenue service.
Yeah.
The old McKinley National Park logo on it.
Yeah. Yeah. All those box cars?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Hard to imagine that's World War II vintage stuff right there.
Uh-huh. Look at the date they were manufactured. Definitely, I think they are, but
Pullman standard troop sleepers and kitchen cars.
yeah, they changed all they changed all the bearings on it for the trucks, basically, like different systems on there. Got rid of all the old turtle boxes and crap. All of the tin bearings and stuff. Yeah, they were phasing those out when I started working at the railroad, those friction bearings.
Mm-hmm.
The seal bearings. Remember getting a hot box or whatever, big flame shooting out.
Oh really?
Yeah. In the wintertime, like 70 below, and you had a big fire in the journal box. All gone.
Oh man.
Tried to put out fire extinguishers, that was futile. It's like the only way you're going to put it out is dump a bunch of snow in there to get it out.
Alright, we'll be here.
ironic, it's the bridge right where we got to stop.
Yeah. Oh, the irony. And we just spotted the yellow for 25. Over. Arcade.
The base of the glacier is about 2 miles away.
Let's not lose my camera. Hey, look, a railroad bridge.
Oh, aren't you a beauty? That's gorgeous. We've made it.
Hey,
Thank you.
I think they always look scarier from above.
Beautiful.